right, boxing fans, let me greet you. My name is Neto Stembler. I'm reporting from South Africa in the province of the Eastern Cape, right in the township called Bryaleen, just opposite the well-known township here in the Eastern Cape that produces the best boxers, Duncan Village. We're not far from there, just a few kilometers away from where we are. But now, to tell you more about what we're here to do, the official next to me is going to be giving us the details of what are we here for. This is, of course, the Clemens Kadal Multipurpose Center, where this boxing tournament will be happening. This is, of course, MBC Online, where we bring you boxing in your comfort zone. You don't have to be sitting in front of your television set, but you can tune in wherever you are, in the taxi, in your own vehicle, using your smart cell phone. Well, let us talk to Noma FS, the official of this tournament, who's going to tell us more about what is going to be taking place here.
Namhlanje apha kudibene iBuffalo City as a whole. Into eyenzekayo njengoba benipha eMdantsane kule veki pheleyo besidlala singumdabho uMdantsane Boxing Organization, which is the sub-region. Besisenza i-team phayana. So ne-Ilapho ngapha i-East London nazo besisenza i-team ne-Kibabo. Zonke i-regions i-sub-regions ze-East London bezisenza i-teams zazo. So into eyenzekayo ke ngoku i-team sazigqiba namhlanje ke ngoku sizokwenza apha i-team yeBuffalo City. I-team yeBuffalo City eyenziwa yiKibabo, indawo ezilapha yiKibabo, Ilapho, uMdabho neTsholomnqa. Injongo ekuformation tournament kukwenza i-team apho siyakhona siyophela ku-national. Kwenziwa i-team ye-youth and junior, i-boys and girls, 15 to 16, 17 to 18 years kwi-boxing. Ababukeli ndithi mabeze bazobukela ngoba kuzabe kudlalwa inqindi lamanyani. Kulapho iboxing ikhona kanye kwezi ages siziphetheyo namhlanje. Sine SA champions za last year zika 2015 ebezibethe zonke iprovince ku national. Indlela enobarhweba ngayo kukubana mabeze kwesi sport, kumnandi kwesi sport. And esi sport asikho cruel olhlobo kuthethwa ngalo ngaphandle. Sisport esimnandi esifundisa ngediscipline ebantwaneni isikakhulu eyona nto igxininiswayo idiscipline.
Sibulela calls.